Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server technologies. He is aware of program or browser technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. HTML page title. Every web page should have a page title to describe the meaning of the page. The title elements adds a title to your page. The title is shown in the browser's title bar. The page title is very important for search engine optimization. The text is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search results. Page title element syntax is HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. A table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. Table element syntax is table cells. Each table cell is defined by a TD and an NTD tag. TD stands for table data. TR stands for table row. Table headers. Sometimes you want your cell to be table headers cells. In those cases, use the TH tag instead of TD tag. TH stands for table headers. Now add a table row with two table headers. The two table headers should have the value name and age. I have a code in which you will see question mark. You have to add the table header tag in this question mark area. If you are done, it means you understood what the table is. Let's try to understand this table element by a simple example. So in the editor, I have a table element and defined this element by adding a table tag. Then next it is table row element tag. Then next inside this table row we define the table header tag and the content inside this tag and then its ending tag. Later we close the table row by its ending tag. This will add a row inside our table. Then next we will add a new table row tag and this time we will use td table data tag, then its contents and then its ending tag. Later we will close this table row by adding table row ending tag, and in the very last we will use table ending tag to close the table element tags. Now let's run the example and see the output. The very first, the company is behaving like a title with a bolder text, and the next is a table row which includes the TD tag and has a value of company name. Now let's add some more cells in table header first. We will be working inside the table row tags. Location, then let's it's a tag. Then in the next video, prior to this second cell for the th we added, we will be adding another td tag which will be underneath this location cell. Now let's run the example You will be seeing that a new table header and table data has been added, which is next to the previous entries. I hope you understood this example.